Hello and welcome to German Lessons with Mr. Ferguson. Hallo und herzlich willkommen zum Deutschunterricht mit Herrn Ferguson. Diese Stunde für Anfänger, this lesson for beginners, heißt das Alphabet, the alphabet. Before wir anfangen, please remember to like this video, bitte klickt gefällt mir, and to subscribe to my channel so that I can keep helping you with your German. Bitte vergesst nicht zu abonnieren. If you're enjoying my videos, please consider buying me a coffee by clicking the banner now. All contributions are gratefully received and allow me to continue to bring you new and exciting German content whilst keeping it free to access on YouTube. Thank you to those of you who have already contributed. It's very much appreciated. Vielen Dank. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the German alphabet, as well as a song I use with my classes to learn it off by heart. Remember, this lesson will teach you the names of each letter rather than the pronunciation. If you want to learn how to pronounce vowels, consonants and letter combinations in German, be sure to check out my pronunciation videos, starting with German vowels by clicking the banner now. Also, los geht's. Let's go. In this section, I will read the name of the letter and write a rough pronunciation in brackets to help. The German alphabet has 30 letters. Das deutsche Alphabet hat 30 Buchstaben, made up of the 26 letters of the English alphabet and 4 extra letters, which I will discuss in the next section. The 26 letters that are the same as the English alphabet are as follows. A. Der Apfel, apple. B. Die Banane, banana. C. Der Campingplatz, campsite. D. Der Dieb, thief. E. Der Elefant, elephant. F. Der Frosch, frog. G. Die Giraffe, giraffe. H. Das Hotel, hotel. I. Der Igel, hedgehog. J. Die Jacke, jacket. K. Das Kind, child. L. Die Limonade, lemonade. M. Der Magen, stomach. N. Die Natur, nature. O. Der Orangensaft, orange juice. P. Das Papier, paper. Q. Die Quittung, receipt. R. Das Rad, wheel. S. Die Salami, salami. T. Die Tasse, cup. U. Die Uniform, uniform. V. Der Vogel, bird. W. Das Wasser, water. X. Das Xylophon, xylophone. Y. Das Yoga, yoga. Z. Der Zug, train. The 4 additional letters include 3 vowels and 1 consonant. As you might already be aware, the vowels in this section include something called an umlaut. This is the name for the 2 dots which appear above a letter. The additional letters in German are or more commonly A umlaut, die Äpfel, apples, plural, or more commonly O umlaut, das Öl, oil, or more commonly U umlaut, die Übersetzung, translation, and SZ, also known as a scharfes S. As this letter is equivalent to a double S, there are no words that start with this. A word that includes it, however, is die Straße, street or road. In Switzerland, there is no such thing as the SZ, and so you will see double S used instead. While we're here, I will also explain an interesting fact to you regarding the letter SZ. In older German texts, and in English texts too for that matter, the letter S used to be written as follows. According to Wikipedia, it is known as the long S and is an archaic form of the lowercase letter s. It is not uncommon to see this letter, particularly on older gravestones, and here is an example that I found whilst out and about. A similar letter change over time happened to our modern letter Z, which used to look like a number 3, and still does in some people's handwriting. Over time, as the S, and Z, were more frequently written together, they became interlinked, and you can still see this on street signs in Germany, such as this one. In modern, typed German, it looks like this. The best way to learn the alphabet in German is to learn the song, similar to the ABC song in English. The song I use for my classes, slowly at first, is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A Umlaut, O Umlaut, U Umlaut, SZ. And now, faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A Umlaut, O Umlaut, U Umlaut, SZ. I will go through this song one more time, pausing after each line so that you can repeat after me if you'd like to, and if you want in public. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A Umlaut, O Umlaut, U Umlaut, SZ. And so, that is a look at the alphabet in German. Like I said at the start, these are the names of the letters and not necessarily how they're pronounced. Make sure to familiarise yourself with how to pronounce these letters within words by watching my pronunciation videos in this playlist. It's a good idea to pause the video now to recap the German alphabet and the names of the letters. Habe ich etwas vergessen? If you're enjoying these lessons or if there's anything you would like to see in upcoming videos, please let me know by writing a comment. Bitte schreibt einen Kommentar. Also, please remember to click subscribe to receive all of my German lesson videos, language learning tips and updates. You can also follow me on Instagram with the username Herr Ferguson and on Twitter under @HerrFerguson. Otherwise, from me, it's Danke und auf Wiedersehen.